Ulisema naposhindwa nikuite, hivi leo nakuita nisikie. Usiende mbali nami, usiniache peke yangu, Mungu wangu uniongoze.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. Now, today I'm going to show you some easy chords, especially for the beginners and intermediates, on the song Ulisema Naposhindwa Nikuite. The song starts from the 1 to the 4, then to the 5, to 3, diminished chord to the 6, to the 4 again, 5, diminished chord, 6, 4, then 5, 3, diminished chord to the 6, we move to the 4, 5, 1. Now let's repeat it very slowly. So we start from the 1, that is how we play our 1, moving to the 4, then to the 5, 3, diminished chord, 6, 1, 4, 5, diminished chord, 6, to the 4, then to the 5, 3, the passing chord to the 6, 4, then 5, back to 1. So now for the last time, very clear. So 1, moving to the 4, then we go to the 5, we play 3, passing chord to the 6, back to the 4, then 5, 3, you can play the 3 that way, passing chord to the 6, 4, then 5. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can comment on what tutorial to be released next.